just woke up. We're about an hour and a half from our 10-hour reset. Technically that means we can start driving, but my next load wouldn't be ready until 6 p.m. It's currently about to be 11, so I'm about 3 hours away from that place where I gotta pick up. So as long as I leave here around 3, I'll be fine. Elena's making a little protein shake, and we're gonna go hit the gym because we parked up right in front of a Planet Fitness this time, which we got really lucky. So stick around. Today is gonna be an exciting day. We're going to Terre Haute, Indiana, and Indianapolis. Low key, honestly, it became one of my favorite spots, except the fact that there's a lot of cops around Indiana. So that's the only part that kind of scares me. Other than that, kind of like going to these places. It's not that bad. My last location is a pickup. I don't know what I'm picking up. I feel like it's gonna be the same thing as last time, the fucking Prairie Farm people. But they were pretty fast and they're pretty good, so hopefully everything goes good. Ciao! Yo, today it's a good day because we're trying a new gym, and that's a good. That's another perk. So when you're out here, I suggest everybody, if you want to hit the gym, you get Planet Fitness, just because they're everywhere. I know they're kind of shitty gyms, but this is you go to a new gym every single time, and it's pretty cool because for some reason all the Planet Fitnesses are kind of different. I'm pretty sure it's the same way with any other gym, big chain, like the LA Fitness. There's always something a little different, but it's just cool. Some are super clean, some are super dirty, some are super big, some are super small. It's just pretty awesome to just experience new things every day. So this is the one that we're going to right now, and Elena's still getting ready. So our Planet Fitness is technically our showers. I mean, we get a good workout in because we still like to work out and everything. We enjoy it. But this is technically where we get to shower every single day, because if we didn't have Planet Fitness, dude, honestly, we would be stinky people all the time. We wouldn't be showering that often, to be honest. So this is how we shower every day. And it's good because there's literally a Planet Fitness almost everywhere. So there's also my chance to brush my teeth and anything, because it's very hard if you're doing it on the truck. So it's kind of my chance to brush my teeth in the actual sink. And I think I forgot my toothbrush. Oh no, I did. Here it is. So if you're gonna become a trucker, that's kind of what you want to do, kind of make it easier on yourself. Elena got me into stretching before workouts, dude. I used to never stretch, but I'm gonna tell you one thing right now. It's probably the best thing you could do. I actually feel my muscles growing now after stretching. I had to stretch first though. And I feel better. I don't know. Just my muscles don't ache that much, I guess, afterwards, and I do feel stronger. So it's a win-win. Everybody should stretch. Keep that in mind.
Sling blade with a slingshot, eyes half closed in the corner with a juice box, hitting so slow as the.
All right, so I got good news. I found a home daily. Because at the moment I'm doing regional and I'm only back. They only let me go back every like 3 weeks to like 5 weeks. I forgot what was the agreement. But I am in the National Guard, so I gotta go back for sure. I gotta go back every month. After having this home daily offer, yes, the pay is way less, but it's kind of like, it's just right here the pay is good, but it's a win-loss situation. Over there the pay is kind of, it's not the worst pay. I don't know, I wouldn't be taking like super shitty pay, you know, but it's not the worst pay, but it is a win-loss situation also, because I at least get to go home every night. And I'll be able to go to my gym, the gym I like to go to, and I'll be able to do a lot more things, which is good. And I'll see my family, and I'll be with my wife every day and everything, which is awesome. But it is, I really don't mind it, man. It's pretty good. We'll see how it goes. I just started anyways. I'm not gonna just stay here just because the pay is really good. The pay is really good here. Like I already showed you guys. I haven't even showed you guys my latest 2 checks. I made 1,800 on one. Then the other one I didn't work that much, but I made 1,400 still. So that's really good. That's really good. I'll keep you guys updated and I'll keep making videos. But if you guys have any questions about Werner or any questions about trucking, I'll try to answer them the best I can, because I'm not the best. I'm not I don't have the most experience yet, but at least I know something. You know, I know more than when I started. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know and I'll fucking answer them in the comments. All right, we're making a quick stop, going to Chipotle. Then after that, we gotta go pick up our next load. Going to Indianapolis today.
Degrees from breeze blocks, but you don't know. Kylie's calling out the death spots in a video. I was waiting for the one I love to show up and see what I'm made of. 6-shooter with a
All right, we're in Indiana, Terry Cute. Heading to our last and final stop before we do a pickup. We're in Indianapolis. Hopefully, Elena looked up the reviews and they said that they're good, that they're quick there and fast and everything. So hopefully they're the same way with us. We're on our way now, so I'm gonna keep showing y'all how the business rolls here.
with a slack jaw, machine gun in a hand, 6-shooter with a slack jaw.
This is the life, baby. This is the life. We're doing a pickup. I'm not late or anything. I'm just trying to go back home early this time. Back. Today's work day. Literally, I had to take a nap at my pickup location. I actually have the whole load with me right now. I'm out of my whole 14-hour clock for the day. I'm gonna take a nice 10-hour reset and then head back with the load, return it. But this is one of those things where I'm telling you guys, like, yo man, if you're gonna be a trucker, sometimes it's not worth it, because you're not getting paid per hour, you're getting paid by the mile. So the truck's not moving, you're not getting paid. So I sat there for like, I think we got there at like 11:30. We didn't leave until like 7-ish, 7:30. So all that time just, I mean, I was able to sleep a little bit, but most of that time was just kind of wasted. We did find another spot here. We've been here before, and there's a gym right in front of us again. It's super small, but kind of shitty. But a gym's a gym, and we're just gonna take a small little nap right now, and then wake up, get some food, hit the gym, and drive back later. Bye.